For all my young people out there, man, under the age of 18, save your money. I'm telling you, save your money. Yeah, that should be embarrassing, man. If somebody's begging you to buy their, they're either going broke or they got a ass product, man. My product sells itself. You know, that word of mouth, hey, yo, Daniel got a good course. Okay, cool, let me invest. That's how it is. That's how it should be, bro. Nobody should be begging. I just switched up my mindset. You know, I went in fearless, like I was going to win every single time. And if I won, yeah, if I lost, guess what? Oh, well, next one I'm going to go in confident. You know, because if you go in a loser, you're going to come out a loser, bro. You got to go in feeling like a winner. Next month, relaunching. Somebody who pays attention to my stories. Yeah, I'm thinking next month. I really want to get that thing going, bro. Seriously. Well, for us to be a regulated broker in the US, we need $50 million. So unfortunately, we don't have $50 million. So no, we're not going to be regulated yet. But we will be very soon. I give it like a year or two. And there are 7 billion people on the planet, bro. Trust me. Them girls ain't going nowhere, man. Focus on you, bro. Focus on you, man. And then get the girls later on in the future, man. Come on now. Yeah, I don't think so, to be honest. Like, all our MT4 accounts are linked to the bot. So whatever trade I take, whatever trade Raul takes, everybody takes the same exact fucking trade. So we win together and we lose together. So shit, might as well profit together, right? I mean, is she a good mom, though? Like, I don't give a how bad she is, and I don't give a how many kids she got, bro. Is she a good mom? That's all I need to know. This is why we only A-book, bro. Like, getting paid, no matter how much money you make, bro. Like, B-book brokers, they gotta pay you, bro, from their pocket. You know what I'm saying? And they probably won't. They probably blame it on a technical error or some shit. I'm gonna make a post about this one. This is a really good one right here. I'm gonna make like a full-on story about this one. Be right back.